How to delete review on booking.com. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about deleting the review on booking.com. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open the official booking.com website, and once you're there, log into your account by clicking on the login option in the upper right corner of the screen. And after logging in, you will see the homepage where you can view all your stays and properties. So if you want to delete a review, either one you left or one someone left for you, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you find the extranet login option. The extranet is the admin dashboard for maintaining your properties on booking.com, so click on that and you will be directed to a new page where you can sign into your affiliate program account. So this account should have been created when you set up your property. Use that same account to log in, and once you're in the dashboard, you will see the reviews for your property. Find the review you want to delete, click on it, and look for the three dots next to the review and click on those dots, and one of the options will be delete. Just like that, your review will be easily deleted. So that's it. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.